Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'll explain you the two types of menu block which we have. So I have this menu block here in my canvas. When I will click on this, the first option which you will get is to choose from type of menu. We have two types of menu, button list and the answer list. I have already created a one menu using the button list where I have given some options to my customer. For example, view products, track order, and checks offers. But before I proceed with the other type of button, which is answer list, let me show you how button list looks like from the customer point of view. So I'm going to the WhatsApp instance, and this is how the button list looks like. When you will click on see options, this is the UI which your customer will get when you will create a menu using button list. But what if when you create a button using answer list? Let me duplicate this menu block using this copy button, and let me disconnect this connection and let me this content block with this menu. Now clicking on this menu block, this time I will choose the answers list. Here are the type of options which I am providing to my customers. And let's just go and check how this will look from the customer's point of view. So let me close this. Let me refresh this page. Let me go to my contacts card and let me send this flow again. So the flow name is menu types. I have sent this to my client, and this is how my customer will see the menu. So before, when we were using the button list, this is the sort of UI which my customers were saying, but now the menu will appear like this. When they will type one, they will get the actions which is defined for view products in my flow. So these are the two types of UI for both the different types of button which my customers will receive when I create the menu using button list or answer list. So here in the answers list, we have this option called invalid input text. For example, you are asking your customer to enter 1, 2, or 3, but what if they entered something like hi or something like hello? In that case, what should be the response? So that you can define those invalid input text. For example, if your customer has replied something which is not 1, 2, or 3, then you can write here invalid input text saying, oops, please type 1, 2, 3 to continue. Why 1, 2, 3? Because you only have three options in your UI at this point, 1, 2, 3. So if your customer is sending something other than 1, 2, 3, in that case, your WhatsApp bot will reply, oops, please type 1, 2, 3 to continue. This is the same message which we have defined here in invalid input text. You can also limit the amount of errors. Here I have chosen 3, which means I can take at least 3 invalid input from my client. But let's say if your client is sending invalid inputs even after 3 tries, then what you can do, you can include one action block from the plus icon, and you can connect this error output with this action block. And in this action block, you can maybe inform some of your teammates so that they can manually talk to this customer. You can inform, please take this chat, something like that, and you can either inform all the members or some of your teammates. So this is how answers list button work in the UI of flows. I hope this makes more sense. If you have any questions, please reach out to us using our help center and we would be happy to help you out.